I'm Kayla, and today I'll be showing you how to install a lace front wig for beginners. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is slick your hair back into a low ponytail and try to make the smallest bun that you can make. Okay, so after you made your low bun, the next thing you're going to do is your edges. Next thing that you're going to do is put on your wig cap, and then you're going to grab your Got To Be spray and spray the wig cap. And then you can also take the gel and put it on the perimeter of the wig cap. Later in the video, you're going to see that I didn't end up using the wig cap.
I'm going to be putting on this Outre, that's how you say it, Outre Perfect Hairline wig, and it doesn't look like this, but this is what it looks like. So on camera, it kind of looks black, but it's like black, but it has brown little highlights in there. So yeah, this is the lace front. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the lace, and you're gonna try to cut it like close to the hairline. So I'm going to start in the middle.
Okay, so right here, you're going to put your wig on and then try to place it at the end of your hairline. Not your edges, but the end of your hairline, if that makes sense. After you place your wig in the right place, you're going to blow dry it so you can have that extra secureness. The next thing that you're going to do is just play around with the hair a little bit and make the parting that you want. So that would either be the middle or the side part, but as you can see, I went with the middle part.
How you made your own edges. You're gonna just take a few hair, cut it, and then make your edges how you want them. Okay.
If you didn't understand what I previously said, basically what you do is you try to disguise the wig hair with your own edges. So when you do your own edges, you take the wig hair and kind of swoop it with the edges that you previously made. And then the next thing that you're going to do is just use your concealer and put it on your part so it can look more natural. And here's the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe for more content.